Hello everyone, welcome to a short video on how to install ARGOS Automation Studio, or STU as we call it. Open the browser and go to the ARGOS Lab website www.argos-labs.com. On the top right hand side, click on the blue color download button. You will be taken to the download section. Click on the free download link for STU. At the bottom of the browser, you can see that the download has started. Click on the option Open when done. The ARGOS STU installer opens up. Click on Next. Select the I accept checkbox and click on Next. Click on Finish and it will open up the ARGOS STU and prompt you for a login. Input the credentials when you signed up for ARGOS Chief. If you don't know how to sign up for ARGOS Chief, please watch the video for the same on our website. ARGOS Studio opens up and you are now ready to start automation. Thank you for watching and happy automation.